Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this mini chainsaw that I got sent out for review. This is a cordless chainsaw, and it comes in this hard case, which is really sturdy, and it opens like this. It has the manual of instructions, and it includes some protection glasses and also some tools that you will be needing in case that you want to replace the chain. It also has a replaceable saw chain and some gloves that you can use so you don't damage your hands, just to protect your hands. Also here, of course, is the mini chainsaw. It looks amazing. It comes in a color yellow and black. It is of a size of less than a quarter, but it is really good. I mean, we are going to test it and you will see how it works. This is to protect your hand, and this is the size. As you can see, it's less than a quarter. And now let's test it out with the 20 volts Dewalt. So this is everything that it comes in the box: the case, the mini chainsaw, and the gloves, the glasses to protect your eyes, the instructions, and also the replacement and some tools. Okay, so now let's just install our Dewalt 20V battery. This is not included, but you will need one of these so it will work. Okay, so now let's just test it out. Remove the lock. Cool. And this is how it works. Okay, as you can see, you need to be very careful with this because it is very good. It works really good. So this is how it looks once that it has the battery on it. And now let's test it out outside. Okay, so we are using, of course, the Dewalt battery that it needs, also the gloves that it includes, also the glasses, the protective glasses, and let's just test it out by cutting some branches right here. As you can see, it cut it really fast, and we are using small branches right here, but we are going from thinnest to a little bit thicker branches. So as you can see, that it can cut thicker branches, but it will take a little bit more time and maybe some strength, but it cuts it really nice. Doesn't take a lot of time. It's just a few seconds that it will take. So it does the job. It works really good, and you won't be damaging or needing a machete or any other tools. You just need your mini chainsaw.